Change the way you mow without changing decks with the Quick Detach Vac. This exclusive, no tools, quick detach feature converts from collection to side discharge or down discharge mulching in less than 30 seconds. Simply remove the deck-driven power vac unit for easy conversion or to clear narrow gate openings. It can be reinstalled just as easily, making power vac perfect for commercial operators servicing multiple accounts. Please note, before engaging blades, be sure a mulching restriction plate, side discharge shield, or side discharge control kit is in place. The Quick Detach Vac System is just another way Grasshopper has been leading innovation since 1969. Grasshopper, first to finish, built to last.